Well, back today, going to replace this bottom fog lamp with a LED I purchased. I don't like this off-white color, whatever, yellow, whatever you want to call it. Going to go ahead and replace it one that's supposed to be brighter as well. I did get some footage of the lights in the dark, so I'm going to swap this out, and when it gets dark out tonight, I'm going to go ahead and get some more new footage. But looks like we got 2 Phillips screws, and I believe there was a bolt right behind holding in this assembly. I'll get the sizes in a moment. But yeah, let's go ahead and shut this off real quick. It just comes out. It's simple, and then there's that bolt. I think it's a 8 mil. I'm not too sure. Let's see. Yep, it's 8 mil. I'm gonna go ahead and get my extension and get that out. Be right back. All right, so I got my 8 mil bolt out of there. This should just kind of pull and slide to the side. Using one hand, so not the easiest. That's it. That's tabs, those holes. That's what you got there. And this is the one we want. I'm gonna go ahead and dry that off. I don't want no water getting in there. That's it. Push this little spring down right here, and it comes up, and you are free the lamp. That's it. That's simple. Just pull that out, swap the lights, and pull this out and get my other lights. All right, just pull the bulb out. So it's just a pull out. And that's the new one. That's the old one. I hope there's no clearance issue here. It looks a bit long. Same ends. And so I guess I'll pull that little plastic cover off because there's one on inside of the assembly already. Or maybe not. I could leave it on there. We'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and shove that in, put it back down in that hole. Hopefully I'm not suffering from clearance. It looked like I got space, but we'll find out. So I'm gonna take two hands, and I'll be back when that's installed. All right, so I took the fog light assembly out just so I can work this a bit, because as you can see, it is much bigger than the previous light or the original factory light. You see the differences there. This pin that locks down right here, I think it's also for ground, It's also part of the wiring, so it needs to touch to complete the circuit. It needed some finagling, if that's a word. So I had to finesse it in there a bit with the needle nose pliers, and I just pulled the little plastic part back here, so no problem there. So I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect this. This just had a little clip here. You just press down and pull out. That's how you pull that. But I'm gonna reconnect this, see if it's working. It was a little bit more finessing than I thought with the thicker housing of that new light. So I'm gonna pop this in, and I guess I'm gonna plug it up and see if it works real quick before I start tightening things down. So bear with me here. All right, so it did work. I just plugged it in, a little clip right there, and I sat it there for y'all. Turned my lights on, got back, and you can see the colors absolutely matching the top now. I love it. So when it gets dark, I'm gonna go ahead and get the video or stills just to see the how much better light it's gonna give me, if anything, and that'll be great. So I'm just gonna do the other side. It's the same procedure pretty much, and we'll get back when it's dark out. Thank you. So we got them both in. It's a bit cloudy here. And clear that up. So we'll see how this goes tonight. See how much extra light it's giving me. Aesthetically, I like the color change already, so I'll take it. All right, that's it for now until it gets dark. Full sun. Have a good one. Picture on top is the new lights. The ones on the bottom is the factory lights. You can tell from the orange color. Hope that helps.